welcome to Little River Bluffs. Today, let's go over some quick pro tips, starting with fire and fireplace. Outdoor fires are for designated areas only, of which there are 3 down by the pond, over by the hot tub hut, and or down on the bluff by the river. Indoor fires. They work like a traditional hearth fireplace. Caution, the whole thing can get hot. Only use provided wood. Please, no soft woods. Instructions can be found by the fireplace. Pro tip number 2, trash. Please take trash to the trash house by the front gate. If you might have noticed, there was a little trash house that you passed coming into the property, and that's the facility that we prefer it to be dropped off at. Pro tip number 3, whirlpool tub. Make sure the water level is above the jets before pushing the button to turn on the jets. Pro tip number 4, TV. Don't be intimidated by a foreign setup. All you need to do is turn the TV on, then use the Roku remote to navigate. Well, I guess that's it for now. We hope you enjoy your stay here at the River Chalet, and thank you so much for choosing Little River Bluffs.